Good day, all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here we will see the details of this mining truck remote dumper bucket, but with a hydraulic gooseneck with a flatbed trailer. So now this one it is 1:20 scale Cat C793D, and this one it is one big motor with gearbox driven rear axle at differential. Front axle is motor gearbox, only steering, no driving power. And here gooseneck, it's a 2-valve channel control hydraulic one, hydraulic lifting. Also here hydraulic lifting for the gooseneck. And here for the trailer, it's all steel welding plate with double rims tires. So no power, but with quick power connection for rear LED. Control same time with this truck. Now let's start first to see the functions, then we will open all the covers, see all the details one by one. Now the light already on, and we can switch different mode, off, on, and different flashing. We will keep it always on. And top warning light, so with a turning knob, switching, changing different flashing. So warning light also have control. And at the side we have the steering LED turning. The steering, later we will turn over to see it's a motor gearbox steering. And here rear side, let's see. From rear side we also have this LED. Turning right, left, right. And one brake, no braking light, yeah. So it's a reversing light. And also all these lights now we will connect with the trailer. You will see rear side the trailer has these magnetic control wires for the rear trailer LED turning and reverse. Now here this position I will lift, you will see clearly all these LED wires. And bottom here we have this 2-cylinder. And in the front, that's the valve. Control this one for lifting the gooseneck. Now we lift it. And on top, we have this hose, one channel, 2 steel copper cylinder here for when pushing down, we are raising the trailer. It's when rising have more power, yeah, so pump running high speed with more pressure. Now I will directly align it to show you. So this magnetic quick connection, it is with tension, with spring. So after hook lifting, it will be magnetic sucked in. We'll have the connect. Now drop it and go back. Align, yeah. Slowly. In position, then this one pushing down will lift up. Now the magnet already connected. Lift all the way. In position. Now we will come to the rear side to see the trailer. So tractor already have the red light and we turning. Rear side now LED coming together. Left and forward. Reverse. So now I will drop the trailer, this pulling back, and this pushing bar lifting up, the trailer will be dropped. After drop, you will see here, we have this one, it's aligned with it, yeah. So this ruler is holding the gooseneck. Now I will drop more and drive away. After this, here you will see rising, you will see the cylinder, rise the gooseneck for normal driving. But after this hook up with the trailer, yeah, this one must be dropped. Because if you not drop, when you turn it, it will scratch in the roller. So with trailer, this cylinder must pulling back. Now for normal driving, rise it. Without trailer, rising to top, rising the gooseneck. Yeah. So let's see the details. So forward we have this metal box. Actually it's nothing inside. It's reacting as a weight block. Yeah. And here's the ladders. This one can pulling down. It's only manual with all its steel welding parts. And here forward, this is metal net. And on top, this cover, we open it. On there, that's the power supply wire coming rear side battery box, we will see. And this red board, only one plug from receiver, that's for controlling steering. This board is self-return for the turning steering motor with angle control. And here we have this speaker, that's the RC18 sound system. And here that's the R12F receiver for this radio link T12D radio. Under there, we will see this one, that's the servo at the left side. This left side servo, that's for shifting gear. Now, now is at low speed gear, shifting to high. Yeah, that's engaged gear. And shifting to low, it will turn forward. Now low speed. So it's pulling the bar on here in the middle, this position. That's the gearbox pulling the bar for shifting. Now I will cover it back. So here I will turn around manually. It's quite heavy. I already opened one cover. Let's see one by one. This one, that's the box secured with magnet. That's for putting 3S battery and the leading wire to forward for the power connection. The sound is when you push in driver a little, then you return to middle, the sound will automatically start. And all these wires, yeah, that's going for the LED of the truck and the LED of the trailer. And here you see these holes are 2-channel valve block here, and the servo, it is under this bar. And they are leading to the rear when going to bottom down for the bottom cylinder for rising, lowering the gooseneck. And on top, that's for the pushing bar for lifting the trailer. Both are double cylinders. And now from left side this box, I already opened this cover. That's the pump ESC inside here. And the suction hose is going to right side. Right side under the box is oil tank. So left side mirror containing, also right side have one. And this cabin, actually here have this locking bar pulling down, and then you can open it. Also turn around. From right side of the cabin, the door also can open. Pushing down, unlock it, and open. That's the bar for locking. Unlock. And now lock it. Yeah, I'll put the cabin back. So from right side, we have all these handbar, handrail, and the mirror. This decoration box. Yeah. So this one, and also these two black, they are 3D printed plastic. Others, they are all steel plate. Here at this side, this one, that's the battery box. And under there, 4 screw open. Inside, that's the oil tank. And then the mud guard, the hubs for rear side power driver. It is a big axle. Now we will try turn around to see. So that's the bottom, and all this frame, it's a steel plate welding together with securing bolts. Here, this position, that's the drive motor, and the rear, that's the gearbox. And now we can see the suspension here for steering, forward axle, free turning wheels, and that's the spring and the cylinder for pushing. And here, that's the connecting bar for two steering together. That's the bar going to the steering gearbox. Here, that's the turning bar. Now I was steering, you will see. It's quite quick enough, yeah. And the driving gearbox go to rear side. That's the driving axle. The CVT drive shaft go to axle. Then separate with gears go to right and left. So it's quite strong, tough tires, and inside is big gears. I never have problem with this one. The gears always stay intact, yeah. Now turn around a little. We will see the speed. So you see, after you drive and return to middle, stop, the sound system automatically start. Now this is a full speed for backward, full speed ahead at low speed gear. Now I will shift into high speed gear, high speed ahead. Oh, quite fast. High speed backward. High speed ahead. And shifting back to low speed. Now let's see the structure of the suspension. Yeah, we just see, but when you're compressing it, you can see how it's rolling up and down. Also the rear side coming to here. The rear side suspension, here we have the cylinder and the pin, inside it's a spring. When the trailer sitting on it with load, we are compressing this one down. That's how it's rolling. And let's see the trailer. So this trailer, it's all steel thick plate. Yeah, you can see here the thickness. Here the plate, the thickness. So it's for the size, you put 100 kg on it, it's strong enough, yeah. At the side, we have these shackles for tight your cargo. The mud guard here can lift up. Here it's a ladder, yeah, for man climbing up. Turn around. On top, all this wood plate, yeah, so prevent scratch from the metal. And here, when you're driving, you have this metal bar, no slippery here, yeah. And turn around. All steel plate, very tough. And coming to this position, we will be able to see the wires leading from middle of the plate, then coming here for the rear side, all this LED. That's the rubber mud guard. And with this angle, you will be able to see the double tire. Here inside, that's the big bearings inside. So all tires have big bearing. Yeah. Inside, it's very thick steel shaft for heavy load. Yeah. Let's put it down. Raise the plate. Sound started. Let's go.